Hello everyone, my name is Michal Jurník from Intelligence Studios, and today we will take a look at HR recruitment process and how artificial intelligence can be helpful in these processes. First of all, we will go through ATS process, so recruitment basically. We will go through positions, candidates, recruitment process, and then employees database, and at the end we will take a look on onboarding tasks. So first of all, let's start with positions. As you can see, positions here are as an items. So multiple positions as an items, then the columns is basically attributes of those positions. So whenever I have developer in description, a role is developer, and there are some required skills, required languages, onboarding date, and so on and so on. If I would be an HR member, then I can open the position just adding the position here as an item. If I would be some manager without access, I can use form, which can be embedded in your intranet or somewhere, just linked in your website or somewhere else. So what the manager would do, just fill the position. So today we are looking for full-time developer who can develop applications in, let's say, Node.js and understood Monday and speak German and English. So then onboarding date, let's say 6th of April, then some internal information. Let's submit the position, which opened the position. As you can see here, we have looking for full-time developer. So basically what we filled in our form. As you can see, the attribute has been filled automatically in. So time requirement was selected to full-time. That role has been selected to developer. Then required skills have been populated and the same languages. Then onboarding date and some internal information. And at the same time, when I open it, update, you can see that there could be some automation connected to that creation. So for example, you can send out email to confirm that the position has been opened. All right, candidates port represent candidates recruitment process. As you can see, each item is our candidate, and then we have multiple columns as a phases of recruitment process. So basically CV attach, first interview, second interview, and so on and so on. If you change the status, then progress tracking adjusted based on where we are within the process. The candidate can be added here or created here in two ways. The first one, whenever you are a HR member, you can add the candidate here, then populate everything, all the information, or you can use the form. You can expose the form on your website or just share the link on LinkedIn. And once it's filled, so if I populate the form, somehow then we add some CV. Let's take this one, and we need to change the phone and submit the form. Then it automatically shows in the table, right? Once you submit a form, John Lennon appears in candidates list. You can see that CV has been attached, and when I go to tab CV, which is representing CV phase of recruitment process, we can see that John Lennon has attached CV. Okay, you can take a look if everything's correct here, and then there is automatically populated the role from CV, and then when I scroll to the right, candidate skills and candidate languages has been automatically populated by AI. Yeah, so AI load the document, then extract the data, and if you have candidate skills and candidate languages already there, so when I open it, there are multiple languages, it selects those. It's pretty easy to set it up. So when I check how is it set it up, so choose AI action is assign label, then you choose just input source, and then it shows you result, and when you click save and apply, it automatically populates you the column. So once we have candidate skills and candidate languages extracted from the CV, we need to choose proper position which we would like to apply to John Lennon. So let's take a look at our position, looking for full-time developer, and once we select it, it mirrors the required skills and required languages. You can see candidate skills versus required skills and candidate languages versus required languages. It would be nice to have some summarization. So when you click here, get matched, AI automatically compare languages and skills, return a match here into our column languages match and skills match, and then calculate total match. So let's take a look. Here we go, and you can see that skills matched is 50%, languages match is 100, so in total we have 75% matched. Once candidate goes through all phases of recruitment process, it goes automatically to employees. For example, here we have Daniel Bamba. As you can see that we have items as an employees. Whenever employees has status onboarding phase, there is automation which automatically generates the onboarding tasks. So when I go to onboarding task, you can see multiple tasks. So it's basically like a to-do list of for multiple departments. And here you can see task definitions and for which employee it is. Whenever you would like to see the phone number or something of the employee, then you can click on it and then you can see the detail. Obviously, once all onboarding tasks would be done, then the item or the employee automatically goes from onboarding phase to onboarded, and you can add him or her to particular teams and so on and so on. To wrap this up, AI can help you to extract data from a description to some structure, as you can see skills, languages and so on, or it can help you extract the data from CV and select proper roles, select proper skills and languages, compare those skills, languages of the candidate with skills and languages of particular position. And basically it can help you a lot to make your work easier. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumb up. If you would like to see more guides, please subscribe to the channel. We will looking forward to your comments, and that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.